At first light, smart living awakens. Open the Mammotion app. One swipe to deeper insights effortlessly. Dynamic bubbles simplify complexity. Tap the map. Zones highlight instantly, giving you control at a glance. Slide to start. Power awakens. From dock to lawn, the art begins. Precision down to the millimeter. Fine-tune cutting height for a smooth silk-like lawn. Set virtual boundaries on the map. The mower avoids them. Technology, at its best, is care. For people and those they love. Real-time progress updates. Instant reports on completion, with a precise return to dock. Intelligent power management, balancing performance and battery health. Every watt, precisely used. Mammotion. Smart yards start here.